Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra have some strange issues. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing good. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is revealed, and when it started getting in public hands, people are facing some strange issues in Galaxy S22 Ultra. A bad news for the people who are looking to buy a Galaxy S22 Ultra because there are some supply chain issues going on with the Samsung's new flagship devices. Samsung's always on top when it comes to mobile display, this time no change. We get one of the most brightest display of 1700 nits, but some users claiming the pixelated horizontal line running across the display. And the interesting part is, it is exactly the same for all the people who are facing this issue. It can be a software issue or it is a software issue because when you change to vivid mode, it seems to fix the issue. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you going to buy Galaxy S22 Ultra in 2022? As of now, only Exynos 2200 powered Galaxy S22 Ultra facing this issue, and Galaxy S22 Ultra Snapdragon Gen 1 seems to have no issue and will be out on 25th of February 2022, so we will see when it will get to the market. But now for Samsung, they should give a software update to all the Exynos 2200 variants to fix this display bug before it faced by more and more people. Samsung new flagship devices have warm welcome by the public, and more people are going to buy this device. So right now, Samsung is facing some production issues, where if you now go to Samsung's official website, you will see they want you to wait till March to get hands on your device. Some of the higher specs Galaxy S22 Ultra will not ship until April. Carrier locked S22 appeared to hit worse, where T-Mobile and Verizon customers could wait until May 2022. Samsung CEO personally visited manufacturing facilities in Vietnam to ensure a steady supply chain of his smartphone, although Samsung USA suspended a pre-orders for the Galaxy Tab S8 a while ago because of its high demand. A good news for previous generation SE is because Samsung is rolling out Expert RAW to a number of devices in 2022. For S21 Ultra, it will be out in March, Z Fold 3 in April, and S20 Ultra, Note 20 Ultra, and Z Fold 2 will get in the first half of the year. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, are you going to buy Galaxy S22 Ultra in 2022? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out!